topic. I told you all the discussions what we are doing here is for education purpose. Yeah, education purpose, and whatever we discuss is to help you to enhance your knowledge about various instruments in financial markets so that you may take decisions with the help of your study and with the help of financial consultants if you have for your investments as a profession, as a personal finance savings, or any other aspects. It is your personal decision. Now let's come to virtual trading. I hope the screen is visible to you. Now, there are various platforms that help you to do virtual trading. One of such platform I'll be introducing you today, and how to do the virtual trading that will help you. Now, when you start in virtual trading, there is a aspect called you will get around 1 crore rupees as a seed fund that will help you to trade virtually. It is 1 crore rupees you are getting is a virtual money, and this 1 crore you can trade, buy and sell various items allowed in the stock market. Now, when you are doing that one, there is a report generation. This is an exercise, because to learn more about the trading, you need to do an exercise without losing money. That is why we have got virtual trading, and there is an order book. Now, the platform is called, I already mentioned here, moneycontrol.com. When you open, you have to open with either Facebook or Google, or you can have email ID and password, which will be sending to you, and you will get, as you open, I will show you later how to open it, and you will get a trading platform where you can start trading items in the stock market. Now, let's take you to trading platform. Sorry. moneybhai.moneycontrol.com. This is a website, free virtual online virtual trading platform. You can log in. It's already logged in because I have already in my account, it is already there. Now go home. There are certain rules regarding is given, that is how to play, it is mentioned. And here you will get, and there is a called portfolio. Now I'll show you because I was teaching earlier. There is a portfolio. You click on the portfolio. You can already see I have already teaching in 2 places. When I was teaching, I already created. This is one portfolio, JDV, MPM, SCMS. This is, there are 13 stocks I've purchased, mutual fund and stocks. Now, how to do the buying and selling? Click on transact. Once you create the portfolio, first you have to create the portfolio. When you go to portfolio, reset your portfolio or create your portfolio, you can create here looking at this. And once you create, you get the name, put the name afterwards, the portfolio name will be there. You have a transact. When you click on transact, there are 4 options given: stock, mutual fund, bonds, and fixed deposits. Stocks means the shares that are publicly traded in NSE and BSE, that will be showing here, and the stocks column. When you click on stocks, this will come. Let's say, for example, I am putting SBI, State Bank of India. Now, I am searching. There are options are there, cash and intraday. Cash means you are buying and keeping it. And when the market goes up and only you will sell it. Intraday means you are buying today and selling today. Now I wanted to buy in cash. So it will ask how many quantity you wanted to buy. Quantity means number of shares. Whether you are buying at the current price or limit price. Limit price means this column. Now let's look at it. Current price is 521.75. This can be the current price. Whereas when I put limit price, that is your price. You wanted to buy, let's say 500. You can type it. How many quantity? Let's say I wanted to buy 1000 quantity. Okay, it has come. Okay, now what is your target price? You are buying at 500. I am expecting to sell at, let's say 540. I will tell you how to do that target and all. Stop loss. Target means the price at which you are planning to sell. Stop loss means the price at which you want to book the loss. Let's say 490. Now, when you are buying, the target will be higher than the buying price and the stop loss will be lesser than the buying price. Whereas when you are selling, the target will be lesser than the buying price and the stop loss will be higher than the buying price. Now, what is the strategy I am putting? Now, for example, I am putting investments. When I click done, it will go to the order book. And the order takes place, it will happen. Now, here there are three options. Good till the day, good the trade happens. These are the two options are here. Here, one option is the trade will execute till the day. That entire day, that is morning 9:15 or 9:30 to 3:30, the order will be there. If any order matches with your buying order, it will execute. It will execute mean it will happen. So you will buy. Now, in order to buy, get to shares, somebody should be there to sell at 500. Then only you can buy. That means you have better to put near to the current market price. Otherwise, you will not get it. If you price it very low, nobody is ready to sell it to you. If you price higher, that means you are at loss. So what you have to do, you have to buy at the nearest price that is currently traded. Then only you can get the buying price. This is one strategy. Another strategy, you know that I will buy when it comes down to only 500. I will not buy before that. That is one strategy. You have fixed the price. You will wait till your price comes. It may come, it may not come. That is your study, that result. Let's say market is falling. In a falling market, you know it will fall up to this level. I will buy at this level only. Whatever may be the price going up or down, I will not bother. I will buy at this price. It may happen, it may not happen. Got it? Same way, I will sell at this price only. If it doesn't come, I will hold. I will hold till the market reach up to that particular price. Otherwise, I will just hold it. These are called strategy, one type of strategy where you are very rigid in buying and rigid in selling. This is one way it is good, another way it is bad, because your expectation may not happen always. Your research may not be always true. If every time your research is always true, then it is 100%. In stock market, the predictions, that is expected movement of the share prices, 100% nobody can predict. Why? Because the market is highly dynamic. The number of people involved in the markets are very high. The volume is high, and you cannot expect or predict many people's behavior. This particular science is called financial behavior, behavioral science. In the behavioral science, financial behavior is different. There are many theories that have come. There are many theories that have come in order to explain this aspects. One of such theory is called MM approach, otherwise called Modigliani-Miller approach. where you are trying to predict the movement of the price. Then in Markowitz theory, wave theory, various theories are there. So fundamentally, there are the predictions 100%, it is near to impossible. But at the same time, the study, to some extent, you can study. One part of the study is called fundamental analysis. Another part of the study is called technical analysis. Now, when you say fundamental analysis, basically what we are looking at, you are trying to look at what is the fundamental of this particular share. Now, for example, I am looking at SBI share, SBI Bank, State Bank of India. It is a government bank. It has got a lot of branches. The volume, that is business they are generated, is good. The customers are good. Interest rate is good. The services are good. And there is a prevailing situation in the economy that the banking services are going well. There is no situation that is prevailing that the SBI Bank will collapse. And the management is very good. People still have faith in it. So a lot of aspects are there which gives that SBI Bank to work, along with its financials. I mean, it is generating profit, a lot of sales are happening, the return is good. So we assume that fundamentally SBI Bank is strong. Whereas when another aspect is called technical aspects, the price fluctuation in the recent past is showing a particular movement. It is moving in a particular pattern, and after reaching up to that one, it is coming down again, it is moving up again, coming down. Certain patterns are there, below which it is not falling, above which it is not going. The below which is called, it is called a support level, above which is called resistance level, above which is not going, it falls back. So there is a tendency, there is a, what do you call it, pattern, there is a wave that is created, there is certain price volume mechanism. This particular aspect is called technical analysis. We will go in details aspect of it in this fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Now, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? You go to transact, and from your knowledge, let's say you know few banking companies, find out, let's say for example HDFC Bank. Okay, you found HDFC Bank, you looked at, okay, I just wanted to buy it. Now you know some of the banks, you know some of the pharmaceutical companies, you know some of the real estate companies, you know some of the automobile company, you know some of the engineering company, you know some of the fast consumable goods, FMCG products, entertainment industry. You check what is the current price of those shares. I'm not telling your answer is your trading is completely perfect. No, it never can become, but you can be nearer to perfection. So it is up to you. Select whatever company you want. First, what you have to do? First, list down, let's say from, let's say 5 industries, 2 companies each. Just buy it, because you are not going to lose anything. You are getting 1 crore rupees. You may lose or gain, doesn't bother you. So just buy it. After buying, you check the price movement daily. Price movement daily, whether it is moving upward, whether it is moving downward. If it is moving upward, what are the things that makes them move upward? Whether it is fundamental reason, whether it is a technical reason, whether it is inside the company, whether it is outside the company. Now, when you say inside the company, the employees are good, the profit generation is good, the decisions are good, management decision, shareholders holding is good, the profit generation is good. There are various aspects. Outside, the political aspects of it, the economic aspects of it, the international situations, war situation, US federal rules, international affairs, political affairs, what all things are there, which has got either directly or indirectly affected. Some of the things are directly affecting, some of them are indirectly affecting. Now, for example, recently in 2 weeks back, 2 major banks in US collapsed. And few years back in 2018, another bank was collapsed. It has got impact. Now that impact was much heavier than this impact. So what is the relation? Now, some of you are watching the gold prices. Suddenly, US market is affected. The gold prices suddenly shifted up 2,000, 3,000 per 10 gram. It has gone up. So relation. So now you try to identify the relation between two variables. One is I'm talking about now in this case, I'm talking about US dollar and gold prices. In US banking failure, Indian market. So look at the two variables, whether these two variables can be correlated. This is what your work is. Have you understood the work? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood how to open the account?
Yes, sir.
You go to moneybhai.moneycontrol.com, either using Facebook or Google Gmail, or using email ID and password, you sign in. It is better to sign in through your Gmail account, that become faster and easier. And afterwards, there is a creation of portfolio. After creating portfolio, you transact. Now, second one is mutual fund. There are various types of mutual fund. This, I told you, there are various companies, various schemes are available. You may not be aware about many of the schemes. So what you can do, go to either moneycontrol.com. Just moneycontrol.com. Here they have mentioned mutual fund. Click on the mutual fund. Now, if you go down, they will show large cap fund, mid cap fund. Don't, if you are not able to understand, don't worry about it. These are the names of the mutual funds. These are the names of mutual fund. Now here you look at, there is various criteria are shown. We will be dealing it later. These are the names of mutual fund. Now here it is given SBI small cap direct plan. Now you go to your money control, SBI small cap fund, growth fund, add. Now you wanted to buy. What is the price it is given? 107.48. So you wanted to buy 100 or 1000. What is the price? This is the price at which you can buy. And what is the strategy? Long-term investment. This you have to write it down. Then done, it will go to buy. So you can go to moneycontrol.com and name. Don't look at. Now I have told you one fund name is SBI small cap. There are various funds available. Just check it, what is available to buy it and sell it. Whatever. There are so many types of funds are mentioned here. Here also you will find various funds are there. Various funds are given. So just go it. Otherwise, another site is called online research. Mutual funds online research.com. Sorry. Value research online.com. Value research. Now here also they will give you various types of mutual funds. Now another website is called AMFI, AMFIindia.com, Association of Mutual Funds in India. Here also type of mutual fund, when you look at it, look at the mutual fund, you come to know. Then mutualfundsahiye.com or Rediff or Economic Times. Now here markets, mutual fund, click on mutual fund. It will show various types of mutual fund related things. Now I'm not telling you should know about the mutual fund before investing. Just invest. I am not asking you to do anything. Just invest. Don't look at what is the type of fund which you are looking at. Just find out the name. Let's start blindly doing something. Later, I will tell you how to analyze it further. Now, let's blindly do it. Let us have a habit of knowing the names. Knowing the names of mutual fund. The next one is bond. Various types of bonds. For the time being, don't do the bond and fixed deposits. You wanted to how much fixed deposits you can do it. Currently, rate is 5% and 7%. Don't do it. For the time being, don't do it. For the time being, you do only stocks and mutual funds.
Yes, sir.
I hope what you have to do, open moneybhai, moneycontrol.com, an account. Start with buying and selling stocks, mutual funds. For a week or two, we will do blindly doing over. But you will come to know certain types of shares. Now, one of the method, the strategists say, buy the company which you know, don't buy an unknown company. So that strategy I'm asking you. I'm not telling buy this share, buy that share. No, you categorize, let's say, list down 5 industry. It can be banking, it can be real estate, it can be infrastructure, it can be technology, it can be services, it can be what do you call automobile, it can be fabrics, it can be FMCG, it can be any finance companies, it can be mobile companies, any 5 you take it. And out of this 5, take two companies which you know. Let's say, for example, in banking company, you know HDFC and ICICI. Look at it. In mobile company, you know Idea and Airtel. Vodafone, Idea or Airtel. Or in pharmaceutical company, you know Ranbaxy and Cipla. And in technology your company, you know TCS and Infosys. Like that, you take 2 companies from 5 industries. So you will come to know about 10 companies. So this 10 companies will help you and just buy and see why it is moving upward, why it is moving forward. There is no problem with whether you are making losses and profit. What you have to do, daily diary mein, you have to do, okay, I bought at 500, 521 was my price of SBI. Now today is a Thursday. Some news has come. What is the news? RBI is increasing the repo rate, for example. How is going to affect the banking companies? How is expected to affect the banking companies? Positively and negatively, whether they will increase the price or decrease the price. Or repo rate is coming down. Inflation is increasing. Inflation is decreasing. There is a decision by the finance minister or the prime minister on banking industry. Something has happened in outside India. The bank has got taken decision. The what do you call a non-performing NPA has increased. The list of NPA published by RBI, or any merger is taking, any news that is coming, whether it has got a positive impact or negative impact. That's all. You have to write it daily. You have to prepare a diary wherein you will write it down.